Hi everybody, Neil with 21st Century Equipment. Today we're talking about the John Deere 1025R loader with factory installed cab. In addition, of course, this unit does have the 120R loader on it. This is a quick park design, so it comes on and off this tractor really easy. We have another video that shows that if you want to check it out. We're talking about ballast today because if you picture your tractor looking like a seesaw, this front axle is the point, the fulcrum, I think my geometry teacher said in high school, the fulcrum on this thing, and it's that point in the middle that the tractor pivots on. So if I'm picking up 800 pounds, which is what this loader's rated for, 800 pounds at the pin, if I'm picking that up, the tractor wants to tilt that direction. Instead of picking up my 800 pounds, it wants to pick up the back end of the tractor. We don't want that. That's why it's important to have it ballasted. So we're going to put additional weight on the back end of this tractor to help offset all the weight that we're going to pick up on the front end. There are really three options when it comes to ballast. One of the options that we can do on these is wheel weights. It's just like it sounds. It's a weight designed to fit inside the wheel, typically a big chunk of cast iron that bolts in there. We're happy to install those for you, and you can buy them through the parts department and have them installed in the service department. That's one option. Another option is a product called Rim Guard. Here at 21st Century Equipment, we are dealers for Rim Guard, and so we can put that in your tires for you. The great thing about Rim Guard is it's not corrosive and it's not toxic, and it goes really low temperatures before you have to start worrying about it slushing or eventually freezing solid. All that it is leftover liquid from the process of sugar beets. So a great environmentally sound option. You don't have to worry if you do get a hole. You don't have to worry about the dirt being contaminated, animals getting it, and even children, except for the mud part with your kids. That's on you, but otherwise it's not toxic, it's not corrosive, so a great option for filling the tires. And then finally, and truly the most effective option, and the reason I say that is that this ballast box sits back from the back of the tractor. Extra bit of leverage to help keep my machine stable. And the nice thing is, if I'm not doing loader work, I can go ahead and drop this off. Now it does pin on. You see I've got a top link here and the two side links connect there. If this unit was equipped with the iMatch hitch, a great option to add to any machine, but if it was equipped, it'd be easy to back up to this unit and just pick it up, go do the work I need to do. One of the things I really like about the ballast box compared to using an attachment, like let's say a rotary cutter. Well, when I put my rotary cutter on here, it is a great source of ballast, but it's really long. And so it impacts my maneuverability. So if I'm going to be in tight spaces, let's say scooping manure or materials in a tight space, the rotary cutter sticks out quite a ways and can impact the ability to just get around. This ballast box tucks up nice and tight. It's not even as wide as the machine. So again, lowest impact on maneuverability, highest impact on ballast weight. So it's just an empty box. All you need to do is fill it up with the material of choice. Some people put cement in them. Some people just fill them with sand. Others just load them with dirt. Whatever option you choose to fill it with, go ahead and do that, and that'll help maximize the lift capacity of that 120R loader on the front. Now there is a form of natural ballast, and of course that's us. Now you might be tempted to think, oh, I don't need ballast because this cab has some more weight to it, right? With all these pieces of glass and different things. It's still not enough to maximize the lift of this 120R loader. So that's why it's important to look at our three types of ballast that are available to us.